Hi, this is Don Rogers from Rogers Garage. Coming up on that time of year where the best of Springfield, I would like to formally announce that we appreciate all your votes. We would like you to vote for us in all the categories, particularly automotive and best service. We're looking to win best restaurant, best chicken wings. In case you're wondering, we're not taking it too serious. We are more concerned about you being here with your cars and we getting that done correctly, so we focus entirely on that part of our aspect of our business. We appreciate all the votes we've gotten every year. We've never been out of the top 2, but our main focus is about quality, pricing, and making sure that you are happy. So we care that you vote for us, but our number one concern is we see your car